बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अल्लाहुम्मा सल्ली अला सय्यिदना मुहम्मदिन व अला आलि सय्यिदना मुहम्मद। Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today we will see an example 4 which is given in your textbook on page 9. This example is related to combustion analysis. A sample of liquid consisting of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen is given and it was subjected to combustion analysis. The results are given here. Mass of organic compound 0.5439, mass of CO2 1.039 gram, mass of H2O 0.6369 gram. We will calculate the percentage of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen from the masses of CO2 and H2O by using this formula. Percentage of carbon, putting the values of mass of carbon dioxide, mass of organic compound 12 over 44. We will solve it with calculator. (52.108). Now percentage of hydrogen, mass of water over mass of organic compound, putting the values of mass of water, mass of organic compound, solve it with calculator. The answer will come 13.11. Now percentage of oxygen. Percentage of oxygen is obtained by the method of difference. First we will add percentage of carbon and percentage of hydrogen, and the sum of percentage of carbon and hydrogen will be subtracted from 100 to give the answer 34.77. that is, we will subtract the sum of 52.108, which is the percentage of carbon, and 13.11, which is the percentage of hydrogen, from 100, 34.77. So the percentage of oxygen is calculated by the method of difference. Now the second step in calculating the empirical formula is the finding of number of grams of atoms. So we will find the number of grams of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. For this purpose we divide the percentage of elements by their atomic numbers. So number of gram atoms of carbon, percentage of carbon is 52.108. we will divide it with atomic number. The answer is 4.34. Similarly, we will divide the percentage of hydrogen with its atomic number 1.008. Answer is 13.01. Similarly, number of grams of atoms of oxygen, percentage of oxygen divided by its atomic number 16. Answer is 2.16. Now we apply the third step of calculating the empirical formula, that is, we will determine the atomic ratio of elements carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. The atomic ratio of carbon will be calculated by dividing the number of moles of carbon with the lowest value of moles. Hydrogen, number of moles of hydrogen are 13.01 and the lowest value of moles is 2.7. Number of moles of hydrogen is 2.17 and the lowest value of number of moles is 2.17. We will solve it. The answer will be 261. So the atomic ratio between carbon, hydrogen and oxygen is 261. It is whole number, so we can write the empirical formula of the given compound as C2. Atomic ratio of carbon is 2, so 2 will be written under carbon. Atomic ratio of hydrogen is 6, so 6 will be written under hydrogen. Atomic ratio of oxygen is 1, so 1 will be written under O. So the empirical formula of organic compound is C2H6O. Thank you very much.